My name is Marcie and I'm the curator of behavioral husbandry here at the Tulsa Zoo. And one of my roles is to oversee the training for any of the animals and the staff that work with the animals at the zoo. This is Dorsey. He is an 18-year-old male California sea lion. Training-wise, what they like is they like fish. We feed them 2 different types of fish. And when we make it positive for them to get the fish, that's actually what training is all about. It's called operant conditioning, or we use positive reinforcement. Because you like fish, is that right? Good, that's right. I have a whole pouch full of fish here, and when Dorsey does a behavior that I'm trying to get him to do, and I like the actual action that he does, then I'll reinforce him with fish. If he just wants to sit here, and I want him to sit here nice and calm, good. I can say the word good, and reinforce him with the fish. So he's more likely to sit calmly and wait for me to say the word good. Now instead of the word good, I can use this whistle. People are very familiar with whistles and sea lions or marine mammals. They like to blow them. This is the other way that we communicate with them instead of the word good. If I want to look into Dorsey's mouth, what I did was just give him a hand signal, and that hand signal is opening my fingers like so. His mouth is open, and he's going to keep it open until he hears me say the word good or blow the whistle. Now, if I were to never give him fish for opening his mouth, he wouldn't open his mouth anymore. He opens his mouth because we've communicated to him that if he opens his mouth and holds it long enough for me to say this word or the whistle, he knows that he's going to get something good from it. It's kind of one of our ways that we communicate with him. And it helps for him to work cooperatively with us. We actually get to look inside his mouth. Why do we want to look inside a sea lion mouth? Well, we like seeing their brown teeth, which are normal. And we want to make sure that his tongue looks good, his gums look good, and if we needed to brush his teeth, we can brush his teeth also. Good. We can look at his entire body. Now again, it's the way we communicate with him. If I say flipper, I can look at these big front flippers here, make sure he doesn't have any little nicks or cuts on him, make sure they look nice and healthy. Good. He knows again that he's going to get fish for that. Move over here to target. Now I asked him to target, good, which is basically just getting his attention and having him touch my hand. That allows me to move him wherever I want. Target. Good. I can have him orient a little bit differently. Ask him to target. Flipper. There's flipper. And I can look at this flipper.